Hey all, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. I'm sure you've seen these in the past. These are the cut resistant gloves. So if you do a lot of cooking, worried about using sharp knives, remember a dull knife is a dangerous knife. So you always want to have sharp knives, but some people are afraid of them. You've cut yourself before. So you may have seen these on cooking shows that they wear these gloves when they're working with oysters or just cooking in the kitchen. Seen them at some of the buffet places when they're cutting like the steaks or pork loin. They look more like chainmail, but this is something just like this. So this is the Yinenn brand, and you can get these right on Amazon. They have a couple different sizes. This is the XL, fits my hand. They show you online how to measure your palm, and it will kind of give you an idea. Now keep in mind that these are cut resistant. It does not mean they are cut proof. So, you still have to be very careful when using them. So you can still, of course, cut yourself. So in the bag, just like a little getting started, guys, is Yinenn Cut Resistant Gloves. Just talks about their level 5 cut protection, works faster and safer, multi-purpose safety gloves. And it says, although the Yinenn gloves are cut resistant, so they're fully not cut proof. And it talks about the warranty information as well. So there you go. That's what the gloves look like. They look almost like garden gloves. And there's some random pieces of, I guess, the material there. But I did try them real quick. I had taken them out of the bag and just tried to cut through them while they were on my hand. I'm going to show that in the review, but this is just showing you what comes in the box. So there's the Yinenn Cut Resistant Gloves. We're going to check them out, so make sure you look for the review and test. And I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.